Hey guys, I'm doing a bike check. Okay, I have stock Mirko Orvise Miami high-rise handlebars. They're 8-inch rise and 27 wide, but I cut them down to 26. And I have Odyssey Chase Hawk grips with Odyssey paw ends. I have a stock vise or Mirko stem with different stem bolts because the other ones strip out really easily. And then I have stock vise forks. They're pretty nice, I guess. Then for my front wheel, I have a Odyssey Vendero 2 front hub with the female axles, and I have a sun rim. The rim is actually very light, like the whole setup is. And I also have two Black Label pegs in front and in back. And for the frame, I have a Mirko Edit. And yeah, I don't know how much it weighs, but the whole bike is pretty light. It's like 24 pounds maybe. And I have stock cranks, stolen Thermalite pedals. They're okay for what I got for them, but I'll probably get Odyssey Twisted PCs when I get new pedals. And I have a stock bottom bracket, and I have might not be able to see it, but I have Eastern Medusa sprocket, 25 tooth sprocket. And I have a stock KMC chain, and the seat is a Black Label seat and a stock seat post, and the frame has an integrated seat box clamp. For the back wheel, we have a Vise stock hub and a Alex Y303 rim, stock rim. And the tires, we have both stock tires, front and back. This tire, I need a new one. It's getting worn out. I'll probably get an Animal ASM tire for the back. And I think that's it here. And I have some parts that I'm selling, so if you want to message me on YouTube or leave a comment, I can tell you more about them and the price on them and stuff. Okay, well first I have this Eastern Trail Digger. It's I think it's an 09 with the sealed bearings, sealed bottom bracket bearings. And I also have some Harl bars with DK grips and bar ends. They're metal bar ends. They're nice bar ends. Very nice bar ends. The bars, I don't know the rise or the width of them, but they're pretty light. And I also have these Powerlite cranks. They're chrome, and they're not very, they're made in the U.S. You probably can't see it, but I can. They're made in the U.S. They're very light cranks. I wish I could use them on my bike, but it just doesn't look good. And I probably get Odyssey Twan bolts when I get money. And yeah, they're not beat up at all because I haven't really used them that much. I just took the spindle out. That's about it. And I do have the bolts for them, but they're just not in there. And I don't know if I'm gonna sell this. You probably should just give me a decent price on it. But it's a rim. It's a, I don't know what the hub is, but the rim's an Alex rim. It's an X23 F rim, but the rim itself is really light, and it also has sealed bearings in it. I'd take it off and show you, but it'll take too much time. And it's sounds great. It has no crackling sound like my other front rim had, where it was sounded like it was broken. The bearings were in it. So yeah, this one's it's a very light rim. It's maybe a little bit heavier than my new front rim, but it's still really light. So that's my bike check. If you have any questions on the parts, just message me and I'll tell you the prices, okay? Thanks.